In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Firebase app distribution for internal testing. By the end, you'll be able to get your pre-release builds into the hands of your team quickly and securely using a workflow that fits right into your existing process. Start in the Firebase console and create a new project, or open one you already use. Keeping projects organized by environment, like staging versus production, helps prevent confusion later. Once you're in, add your mobile app to the project. For Android, register the exact package name and download the Google Services JSON file. For iOS, register the bundle ID and download the Google Service info.plist. These files identify your app to Firebase and ensure the right build is talking to the right backend. Next, enable app distribution. In the left menu under Release and Monitor, open the app distribution and accept the terms. This unlocks the place where you'll manage testers and upload builds, and it ties distribution to the project you just set up. Before sending anything out, prepare your tester list. Go to the Testers and Groups tab. You can add people one by one with their email addresses or import a CSV if you're onboarding a larger team. For cleaner management, create groups such as QA team or internal company so you can target build access without reselecting individuals every time. If you prefer a self-serve approach, generate invite links and restrict them to your company's email domain to ensure only authorized users can join. Now build your app the way you normally do for a pre-release. For Android, that means an APK or AAB. For iOS, an IPA. Make sure it's properly signed with your debug or app signing key so devices can install it. It's a good habit to bump your version code or build number for each distribution so testers always know which build they're running. When you're ready to ship a build to testers, head to the Releases page for your app in the Firebase console. Drag and drop your APK, AAB, or IPA to upload. After processing, pick the testers or groups who should receive it. Add clear release notes that explain what changed, what needs testing, and any known issues. Then click Distribute. Testers will automatically receive an email with instructions to access the build, making it straightforward for your team to install and start testing. That's the full setup for using Firebase app distribution to deliver internal builds. Keep your groups organized, write helpful release notes, and iterate confidently knowing your testers can get the latest version fast.